traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we'll be talking about how the market is going to be reacting tomorrow. That will be the 9th of Feb 2021. And we will also have a glimpse about what exactly happened today to understand and see as to what can be done better for option buyers in a sideways market. Now, of course, you guys might be wondering, this is a trending market. It was going down right from the top from the way it actually came in. Now, if you look at this trend line that I had drawn at the beginning of the day, we were looking for an opportunity on that point for a buying perspective, and below over here at 36,149 we were looking at a selling opportunity, but our stop losses were hit on all sides. So today this has been the most difficult day for an option buyer. However, the option seller in our group has made more than 4 lakhs in profit. And do visit our Telegram channel to see more update about that, and to also let you know as to how the market is going to be reacting tomorrow. Let us quickly understand where it is right now. Now, if you see, let me just take this particular trend line off and this one as well. So on a main time frame, there is a trend line that is coming from the top, and until Banknifty breaks that particular trend line, we are not going to be in a bullish zone anymore. So tomorrow, if Banknifty is going to gap up above 36,200, it has to consolidate and break this high, or else our immediate targets that we see over here tomorrow are 35,500. The reason being here is that Bank Nifty has lost almost all the strength, and buyers did try to pull it and do everything. But what eventually happened was it was an option seller's day. Look at this, guys. The C in front of my screen on the left hand side is 37,000. Shorted here, completed at 140. Just look at this option as well. Shorted here at 458, they still book profits. So today option sellers were having the day. But however, whatever the situation is, we need to be worrying about what is going to happen to our index tomorrow. So we should be thinking about the daily perspective and see how it is going to be reacting. Now, on a daily front, if I go ahead, remove all the candles, we have made a top over here already from the previous high. So we would want to go ahead and draw a trend line right here. And we are going to go ahead and wait for this to break before we go bullish. And let me just inform you that if you have any overnight positions, just pray that Bank Nifty, and if it is a P, there might be something wonderful coming across to you tomorrow. If it is a C, it has to break 36,200 for any momentum to come into picture. Until then, I would want you to know that we will stay at the PE side. Of course, we have had the bad day after 45 days in green, but we are going to go ahead and ensure that the next 45 days from today are going to be green again. So today being our last day, we wholly accept whatever has happened. Everything is a part of market, and I'm not a god to actually go ahead and ensure that I stay green for the entire year. So after a 45-day streak, we have ended in a loss, but we are going to have some fascinating things tomorrow, and I'm going to be even more sharper, even more better, and we are going to make a very good comeback. And tomorrow, wait for that video and see how we perform. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day with your loved ones. Jai Hind. Will see you tomorrow with another video, and let's see what happens there and hope for the best. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.